Hey everyone. Okay, we're doing Spellbinders unboxing Lucky Love January 2021. I am so excited about this kit. You have no idea. So I get the card kit, the small die of the month. So small die of the month, large die of the month, the amazing paper grace die, and the card kit. And I spent $85 and that's with shipping. And I will tell you what, it is the most... No, it is the best money I spend every month on a craft. Spellbinders, yeah, has it going on. I love them so much. They're just amazing. So this is the small die of the month, and this is the little sample you get. So, I love it. All the pieces come out. The heart comes out. This little piece comes out. This comes out. Oh, it's just amazing. And then look how generous this company is. They give you, I'm sure people complain about not having a long enough die cutting machine, but YouTube videos show you how to use a die that is a slimline die in your Cuttlebug, in your Sizzix. It shows you what to do. So just watch those videos. Don't fret. Watch videos first. This is a slimline die, and all the hearts come out. And then you get flowers. It's just amazing. How awesome is that? What a way to introduce you to the slimline craze. It's awesome. And then you get this one, which is the mailbox. It's a vignette Valentine's mailbox. And this is what it looks like. You have a lot of light coming in right now. So that's what that is. Oh, I love it. So let's get into the card kit. So you get the standard 10 envelopes, 10 card bases, the pop dots, and your adhesive, that's a roll, which is awesome, sequins. And then this is, you also get a die in your card kit, which is this die right here. It's the cat. How cute is that? So you get the cat and it shows you how to put it together. I love it because you always see the cat, I think it's a Chinese cat. So hold on a second. Sorry, husband's working. Okay, so yeah. And then you, yeah, it's just awesome. Look at that. That's so cute, so lucky. Yeah, I think it's a lucky cat. It's Chinese New Year in February, so maybe I don't know, but I tend to see them in Asian markets a lot, and I love Asian markets. So they're mochi and just everything. Everything about the markets are awesome. Oh, look at the fortune cookie. So, I love chipboard stickers. These are awesome. Totally awesome. And I love puffy stickers. Puffy stickers are great. Oh, so cute. And then you get hearts, glitter hearts. You see that? Glitter hearts. And then let's open up the paper pad. I want to see this so bad. Oh, so pretty. Let's see. Oh, look at that. It's the kitty cat. So, let's go through them. Floral. I'm trying to do it this way. Hearts. Shamrocks. They look like shamrocks, but they could be little asterisks, but they look like shamrocks. Pink. Yellow. Blue. Oh, I love tickets. Oh, I love those. This is my favorite. Yep, that's my favorite. Blue. And it has a little bit of gold. Do you see that? Yep. See the gold? That's nice. Blue. Oh, look at the hearts. And you can cut these out. Fussy cut them. Super cute. Ooh, XOXO. This is also a shiny, glittery. Butterflies. And you get 2 of each. Oh, look at the fortune cookies. Those are so cute. And a peach. and then another shine. Oh, look at that shine. And then you get 2 of each. So yeah, so that's awesome paper pad. I love the colors. And then, okay, let's see, keep that for last. Let me open this. So you get also cardstock. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You get 9 each month that color coordinate with your paper pad. So, okay, let's go through this. I'm not going to show every single one because Yana does that. And hers are way better. Her videos are way better. Let me put them here, though. So cute. We are family. Oh, cute. Oh, look at that. See, that's the die you get. Oh, it's so cute. So, yeah, it's a shamrock. Oh, look at this one. Like a little postage. Let me get you in. So, close your eyes. Okay. So little. Oh, they're dice. They're cute. And then you have this one. Then you have this one. All we need is love. All we need is love. Cute. Oh. This, when you do this, when this is, let's see. When I see this picture, it always reminds me of It's a Wonderful Life, the movie. So his uncle, I guess we've seen it just enough to make that kind of impression. I am the luckiest, your special day. Oh, how cute is that? Love you. And you have hearts. You are my sunshine. How cute. Oh, look at the butterfly. Oh, look at the fortune cookies. You get gold hearts. So you get 2 of all of these, so which is awesome. You got rainbows. Deck of cards. Oh, look at the little deck of cards. Oh, look at this. Lucky. Lucky love. Oh, total champ. Cute. Oh, look at the tags. Oh, tags are wonderful. Oh, look at more fortune cookies. Oh, look at more tags. Oh, look at the lucky scratch off. How cute is that? There is no one like you. Oh. You get so many, you guys. I cannot use them all up. There's so many. I can't recommend this kit to you guys enough. It's just awesome. It's awesome. And I use it for my PL now. I took all my kits apart and I put it on my PL and my TNs, and it's just amazing. All right, guys. Okay, so this is going to be a two video. So this is Spellbinders and also La La Land Crafts. I have to do it this way because I just will not remember. So La La Land Crafts, I opened this. Now what I did is I opened it to show because someone on the La La Land Facebook group was saying how the Queen of Hearts, she's a bad girl. Who am I going to give this to? It doesn't make any sense. And I'm like, I was kind of confused about that because I'm not, I mean, you have fairy tales, unicorns, you have all that stuff. So why would someone, I didn't understand how it would be bad if you made a card with the Queen of Hearts and gave it to someone and they would take offense to it. So yeah, so that's where I was confused. So, but it's easy to confuse me. So this is the kit that it's pretty spendy. It's almost like 50 bucks a month, but I think it's worth it because you get a lot. So what I did is I opened it, which I usually don't do on my unboxings, but I had an idea in my head because she kind of confused me with her comment. And I thought, you don't have to take any stamp and use it as what it's intended for. You need to think outside the box. You're a crafter. You think outside the box and not Yeah, so I was confused, and I'm still kind of confused. So what I did is I opened it because I wanted to show that you don't have to use it as the Queen of Hearts. So you get all of this. You get her, you get the sentiments, you get the little cards, and then you get these as dies. These are your dies. So you have the playing card, the ace, the diamonds, the hearts, and I'm not a gambler, so I don't know what that one is. Jack? I don't know. And then the chess pieces, right? So these are the dies. These are the stamps. And it tells you what exactly you get each month in your kit. So what I did is I took her apart and I made a card. In my head, I thought she was a vampire queen. So I made her into a vampire queen. So this is my version. That's what I mean. You don't have to take any image, anything, and it goes for life too. You don't have to take anything in life at face value. You can change it if you want or walk away, but it's just, so if you make her into these colors, then she's the Queen of Hearts. But when you dress her in something different, she's a different character. So this is my version of Vampire Queen. So what do you guys think? I love how it came out. I'm not a colorist. I'm not very good at it at all, but I had fun. That's all that matters. So that's what you get for about, it's like $48 and change, I believe. So yeah, almost 50 bucks, but I think it's worth it. So anyways, this is for this month. So I made it in time, January's kit. And these are charged on the 15th of the month and then shipped out about a week later. So yeah. All right, guys, take care. I'll see y'all next month. Bye.